Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use file history for automatic backups in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to settings, open settings, then go to storage system. You can see here the storage option. Go here. Now click on advanced storage settings. Just scroll down a bit. As you can see advanced storage settings, click on it. Now go to backup options. As you can see backup options, click on it. Now you have to enable file history. First of all, scroll down to looking for an older backup section. Okay, backing and restore. Click on here. Just accept it. After accepting it, now since you don't want to use an USB or external drive, you have two options. You can use an internal drive. So for selecting it, you have to choose a selected drive option in the select a backup location. Click on here, backup. As you can see here, restore your files with file history. Click on here. Now you have to configure file history settings. Searching for drives, it will take a few minutes. Okay, now select drive. You have to select drive which you want to save a secondary internal drive. Now after selecting your drive, you have to choose folders to backup. Exclude folders to remove any folder you don't want to backup, and it will. Okay, now click on add network location. Now you have to select, okay, turn on. Now you have to add a network location. Browse for a shared folder on another PC or a network attached storage NS. You have to turn on network attached storage in the another device. Then you can share and as well as backup your folders. Now after doing this, you have to turn on file history, as I've already shown you how to do it, and it will start backing your files automatically. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to use file history for backing up your storage. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.